Okay, the bird is very simple and it's really nice. First, with one washcloth, we make a triangle shape and start rolling from below all the way forward. Then we fold it, and then we make we continue with the feather part using the second washcloth, making small foldings, small foldings, small opposite foldings. Okay, once we have it fold, oh yeah, darkness. Okay, once we have it fold, then we put it in the middle. Okay, we put the head in the middle part, and then we pass the foldings around. That will give the shape of the feathers. Then with the bottom part, those two ends of the towel we just secure both sides so it cannot pull out. And we secure one more time using the rubber band. There we go. Then we start to arrange it nicely. And we have a small, beautiful bird there. There we go.